Don't have cable. That's alright. Yeah, here we are. Big bad Hurricane Irene. Oh yeah, look at those winds whip. Ha ha ha. Yeah, this will probably be the most boring YouTube video up there today. Yeah, plain old boring Sunday, windy, rainy day. Oh, there's my phlebotomist Volkswagen Beetle. Here's the front of the house. There's across the street. All the leaves on the street. It's like a ghost town. I don't even think my Dunkin' Donuts. Let me see. Oh, don't think Dunkin' Donuts is open. Won't be getting any coffee today. Well, so much for my boring Hurricane Irene video. Guess I'm gonna go upstairs and read the Sunday paper and watch some documentaries that I rented from the library. Ooh, there goes the wind. Okay, we're alive in West Hartford, Connecticut. Bye.